iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, this is Danielle, and in this video we're going to learn about the grammar rules for geographical names with and without the. So as you can see here, we have the mind map, and we will talk about when to use the, with the, and without the. So when to use the and when not to use the with geographical names. So with the. So we can use the in 5 different cases, as you can see here. First, we use the with islands, regions, mountains, oceans, and finally, some nations. So these are all the times you can use the. So let's look at some examples of using the with islands. For example, we have the Bahamas and the Canaria. Now let's look at some examples of when to use the with regions. For example, we have the Middle East and the Far East. Next, mountains. The Rockies, the Andes. Oceans. We have the Atlantic and the Red Sea. Finally, some nations. For example, the United States and the United Kingdom. Okay, so these are all examples of when we can use the with geographical names. Now, let's look at when to not use the. So without the. We don't use the with continents, nations, cities, and lakes. So let's see some examples. Continents. For example, Asia and Europe. Nations. For example, France and Japan. Cities. For example, New York and Hanoi. Finally, lakes. For example, Lake Superior and Lake Constance. Okay, so these are all examples of when to not use the. So geographical names without the. Continents, nations, cities, and lakes. So here's your completed mind map for when to use the and when to not use the. Once you're finished with the mind map, we can click here to find the outline for more information. So here you have the outline for geographical names with and without the. So you can scroll through this to find more information, read through it to find more examples, and information on how to correctly use this grammar rule. So once you're finished reading through the outline and finding out more information, you can click here to take the test to see how much you have learned. And in the next video, we will take the test together. So thank you for joining me in this video where we looked at the mind map and the outline for the English grammar rules on geographical names with and without the. So I'll see you in our next video. Thank you and goodbye.